Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to withdraw your OKX assets to your bank account. To start, open your OKX application on your phone. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the Assets menu located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will show you a list of your assets. Go to the Funding section to check how much you have available to withdraw. Take note of the amount you want to transfer to your bank account. Now, go back to the home page. From there, tap on the icon in the upper left corner of the screen. This will open a new menu. In this menu, tap on P2P Trading, which you'll find in the Manage Assets section. On the P2P Trading page, you can either buy or sell assets, but the first step is to set up your payment method. To do this, tap on your profile icon located in the upper right corner of the screen. From the options, select Payment. You'll need to add your bank account information here. Tap on Add and then fill out the required details for your bank account. Make sure to double-check the information before saving it. Once your bank account is added, go back to the P2P Trading section. From here, select the asset you want to withdraw or sell. Follow the prompts to complete the process. The funds will automatically be sent to the bank account you added earlier. That's it. That's how you can solve the problem of how to withdraw your OKX assets to your bank account. Now, if you want to make serious money from the comfort of your own home, I've found a unique side hustle that 99% of people have never even heard of. Click the link in the description to learn all about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.